had like medium-ish hair. It was like fun. I'm growing my hair since the past year, I think. Like I'm really trying because I always would end up cutting it short. And I noticed that my face is round. So short hair doesn't really suit me as much as long hair does. But the thing is, long hair requires so much maintenance. And my hair now, it grows and stuff. It's a little thick also, but it just falls flat. So that's one issue I have. I think we'll make it volume-ish, not long.
Show me those pictures, like what do you like? Okay, you like that money piece happening in the front, like an ash blonde thing.
Yeah, whitish. I want to do whitish.
Whitish, right?
Yeah.
So you wanted lighter than this, right? Oh, like all of this can be darker.
Yeah.
We can have that money piece in the front, and we can have these blondes at the base, right?
Yeah. Ooh, oh my god, my hair has so much volume. I love it.
Okay, now tell me, when was your last haircut?
It was around 6-7 months back.
You've always had long hair?
No, I had like medium-ish hair. It was like fun.
Now, saw some pictures. Show me those pictures, like what do you like?
And I want my old hair, but the length I want it to be the same. But obviously, I want a hairstyle.
Okay, you like that money piece happening in the front, like an ash blonde thing. The picture, basically, there is this money piece happening here. So this is all light.
Yeah.
But it's also shorter. You know, if we keep it longer, it may not look good. So because it's shorter, it kind of blends well. So what's your take? Like, what do you prefer?
Maybe we could do like a haircut where like the length in the back is the same, or slightly shorter, and then we could do like steps or something. So
because with those kind of money pieces and all, if we have it short in the front, it will not look good. Like it's always better to have it longer because then the lighter bits show. You know, if you can see this is all long, that's why it shows. The moment it's layered, it will not look good. So if you like the money piece, then I don't know how comfortable are you going maybe that short.
How much is it?
This much. This is like more or less just slightly longer than what you have.
Yeah.
This was quite short, what you have in the image. So we can keep it slightly longer, maybe this much, you know.
Yeah, and how much are we cutting? I think that's fair because it is, I mean, we have to anyway cut that because of the split ends and it's dry.
So we can keep this length.
Yeah.
And the front, we can keep them longer so that the money piece shows. So in terms of extensions, what are the questions that you have? Have you done extensions before?
No.
Okay. Now we're planning to put the extensions.
Yeah.
Is it specifically for length or volume?
What do you think will look
So I think the length is good. I don't think you should have it longer. But I think if you add more volume, it will look much better. What happens is, see now when it's grown out, it just looks too thin at the bottom.
Yeah.
So the moment you put these extensions, you'll get a lot more volume. It will look more glamorous.
Yeah. I think we'll make it volume-ish, not long.
You don't want it long, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was born and raised in Dubai. Now I live in Mosova. And Bandra is here.
What do you do?
Content creation.
Oh, you're into content creation,
I make funny videos on Instagram. I'm growing my hair since the past year, I think. Like I'm really trying because I always would end up cutting it short. And I noticed that my face is round. So short hair doesn't really suit me as much as long hair does. But the thing is, long hair requires so much maintenance. And my hair now, it grows and stuff. It's a little thick also, but it just falls flat. So that's one issue I have.
So cool. So what we're going to do is, I'll show you the extensions. You tell me, are you okay with the color being, so this, the one that you showed, is basically as light as this. You know, it could get lighter as well. You tell me.
This is the extension, no?
No. This is the hair color. I mean, leaving the roots, but you can see it's lighter. Now we could go lighter as well. Now you tell me, are you okay with going light?
Lighter.
Like there's no orange here, but it can get even more whitish.
Whitish, I want to know whitish.
Whitish, right?
Yeah.
Now tell me, do you want it lighter than this?
I still feel like there's a little orangish.
There's no orange, but there is a bit of yellow.
Yeah, the yellow.
So you want it lighter than this, right?
Like yellow. Yeah.
Oh, see the base is slightly lighter now. You can see it's not black. So you okay with the base being slightly lighter?
Yeah. Base, I don't mind.
Like it won't be black. It will just become like a little brown. And it will blend better.
Brown,
and at the bottom, you don't want so much blonde, right? Or you okay with the more blondes at the bottom?
That you decide.
Like all of this can be darker.
Yeah.
We can have that money piece in the front and we can have these blondes at the base.
Oh, this. Oh, then it will be like this, huh?
We can reduce it. You tell
I
me
think a little darker.
a little less, right?
Yeah. Little less.
Oh, still coppers and reds in Indian hair.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, ideally, we have to lighten the base
Yeah.
and then do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is the right way to do. Where do you stay? You said. So we can break this up into two sessions. You can come.
Into two sessions?
Yeah, I mean, if you have to do the global also, then it's a long process. Then we'll have to do it into like a two session, like the toner and all has to be the next day. We have to do the but if you stay close by, I'll check if you can do it today and tomorrow. I'll check the slots, so then accordingly we can plan.
You can't finish now on today.
It will not be done
I'm
only.
coming from Western tomorrow, day after I have like shoots.
But it will not be done only. Like we'll put the balayage and all of that. We'll do the global also. But if you really don't want copper, then we have to lighten the base because naturally your hair is dark. Now dark meaning it has red and copper tone. So whatever I put, if you don't like that, then there will be some tinge of that for sure.
Then what should we do?
I mean, you can break it up, then we can do it.
So today, ideally, we will be doing.
No, there are two global. Basically, one is this, and then the placement, and again the next day again we have to do like a toner to make it more ashy.
What do you feel?
Shall we do that then?
Yeah. Ooh, oh my god, my hair has so much volume. Nice, I like the color. I love it. It's blended very nicely. Love it. I like the color. This is what I wanted also actually. I just wanted the blonde here and it blended very nicely and more of dark. The volume is crazy. The volume is actually so much. I'm not used to this. My hair has never felt this thick. Love it. It's like I'm ready for a Met Gala or Cannes or something. It's not yellow at all. I was mainly concerned about it being yellow, but I'm happy. I like my new hair. Guys.